Hello, it's a duty paid and welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to do a product review. Hopefully it might save my channel, because at the time you may have heard that YouTube is gone a bit pear-shaped and channels under 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours will be demonetized. Now my channel barely got any money. I can't really talk about it as one of the contractual things, so I can't really say X amount how much I earned, but it was a very small little X if that's within permissible guidelines. But if YouTube does hammer down on me, or Google for just mentioning that, when other larger channels get away with the things you may have read in the news, then that's a little bit unfair. As you may see underneath this video, my subs are roughly around about 940-ish. So I need 60 extra subs, which isn't that much. Hopefully this video appeals to you. And if you look back at my videos, I do sort of strange tech. And I've got a few more videos coming up. Now, the motivation to make videos shouldn't be money. It should be the enjoyment of making videos. But, you know, if you do a paper round, you get pittance for it. Now, is the motivation to make a little bit of money or to enjoy the job? Now, two should go hand in hand. And talking about hours, I've only got about 2,600 hours, so I need a lot more hours. So if you like this video, have a stroll back. I've got videos on soldering irons, typewriters, even some computer games that I played years back. And you can always say first on a lot of videos if that's your thing. But let's get back to the video in hand. The CoolBaby 8-bit 2.5-inch LCD lithium ion game system, if that isn't too apparent. I have the sky blue. Comes in other flavours of red, black, blue and white. Flipping it around, you have some precautionary measures. If that's in focus and you wish to pause the video now. Now you can unpause. And then moving on, it's a digital game system. The console is slim, portable and trendy. What else we got? Digital multi-platform device can play on TV. The backlight function of the screen ensure players can play anywhere. So, you know, underwater, in space, in the middle of a riot, anywhere. With powerful rechargeable battery pack, includes a AC adapter and lithium ion rechargeable battery. 2 to 3 hours of continuous gameplay. AC adapter. Now, would be handy to have an AC adapter. But AC has an alternating current, stuff that comes out the mains holes. Let's crack this one open. Cardboard. Interesting here, it looks like you can see some witness marks of it rubbing around, which isn't always preferable. So let's just carefully place that out of the way. No space, let's just dump that here then. So we have the CoolBaby. The CoolBaby, let's just place that down. We have plastic. We also have, this must be the AC adapter. I think I can just wire a mains plug onto this and put that in. I kid you not. It's not that. This is a USB micro B, not C. Everyone moans about C, or it's not a C. I don't have any C cables or anything that runs on C. Most of my stuff was made about 20 years ago. So we have a CoolBaby product manual. 0 to 3 sad onions, recyclable. Another recyclable. CE mark. And no wheelie bin included. So what do we get? We get the game host, the USB data line, instructions, lithium battery, packing box. And some gems. Do not touch the battery directly when the battery is charged. As you can see, I was holding these off camera again. So naughty. And then we have some Chinese, so if you want to practice your Chinese, there you go. Check that out. But here we go, the CoolBaby. I'm going to loop my other hand under my tripod to get this on screen. So we turn this on. And my channel's just got copyright strike. Maybe not. Let's have Chinese or English. Let's choose English. So as you can see, we have 129 games in one. Let's have a... How close can I get there? See, that's terrible. You don't want sort of mistrons flying around. Let's go back. Ooh, camera wobble. Or was it earthquake? So if we go down to Super Mario Bros. Number 9, you might be able to see it sort of, the S is cut off, but it's still there. Don't worry, you just have to look into the screen. So let's have a look at Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Bros. What's the difference? Let's have a look at number 9. Oh, it's number 3. So big old splash screen of 3. And colours that will give you pains. Actually, it changes colour. What? That's actually a thing that's picking up on camera. It's sort of burnt orange. And if you kind of hold it at a strange jointy angle, you get the true colours. So I know this is always a hard one to emulate, due to the fact it's how it's coded. Oh. So it looks like the screen's slightly cut off. And you die. The buttons are responsive. The D-pad is a little bit fidgety. And also they're not naturally mapped to the SNES, which is... oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord have mercy. So let's go back. What am I doing wrong? Let's do this. There we go. So that's 2 lives just wasted on the first boss. I cannot remember Super Mario. I can remember you could... oh, I could have got the raccoon tail. Let's see if I can... No, there's a raccoon tail in there, which is not going to be mine today. Ooh dear. So it's a bit strange. Oh. So moving along. So reset pokey pokey. Let's try Chinese this time. Oh, I see. Okay. What number shall we go for? Let's have a good number 69. And the game is Dragon Spirit. Never heard of it. Bringing something back for someone? The hero armor disguised as a blue dragon. Yeah, it's like a side-scrolling shooter. What's happening? it's blue on black is not my fault. It's like... Oh dear. Sorry if that's like... Epilepsy warning should be here with that one. So let's go down. What other games we've got? Ninja Turtles 1. That one's looks like to be the Japanese version. Yeah, this is a classic one. This is... Oh, got run over. There's a Master Splinter. There we go, and that's where I should have gone. Or you could choose the character to begin with. There's a lot of sprite strobe. I think it's better with who is this? I had to guess. Raphael. Who knows? Oh, can't for ladder. Jesus Christ. I think if you sit down this and you're not looking over through a sort of viewfinder, it'd probably be good. So, here it is, the CoolBaby basically. Run through all the games. Oh, we do what it's draw. So, there should be 129. So, if you see your favourite, if it's not focused. So, Top Gun, that's always a classic. 99. So down we go. 120 Battle City. Silkworm. Side Pocket. I used to love Side Pocket. Dun, 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 dun. This has changed. Maybe it was the old Game Boy. What's going on? Turn it down. Oh, you have to hold it. No, look, there it goes. Oh, I press the turbo button. You see, you're doing that quite a bit. Press the turbo button and not the actual button. So that used to go round, and then you should be able to something like that. Always remember the star. If you got in the star, you used to get bonus. You should be able to change the yes, so you can see what you should be hitting. Oops, seems to have been a light. Strange. Seems to have gone darker. Oh well. Time to wrap that up now. 12 minutes. So CoolBaby. If you have £9 or £10, you want to pick one of these up. I will be opening this, see if I can modify it to make it a bit more playable, and to see if there's a few things I can fix. But incredibly light little CoolBaby unit, which is my hands aren't the largest. So, I'm the Duty Paid. Thank you for watching. Until next time, like and sub, tell all your friends, tell everyone at work, tell everyone in your school, college, mosque, temple, church, down the local bar, meet strangers in the street, tell them to sub and watch a few of my videos. Oh, I'm gonna sink beneath the waves. So until maybe next time, I'm Duty Paid. Take care.